Hi everyone. Today I am gonna show you how to make a natural fat cutter drink. Nutrients are found in ginger that help in weight loss. First of all, take a pan to make a weight loss drink. Now put a glass of water in the pan. Now put grated ginger in the pan. Stir the ginger and mix it in the water. Bring the water to a boil. Reduce the flame and boil on low flame for few minutes. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antioxidant properties are found in ginger. Ginger removes all the problems related to the digestive system. Switch off the flame and allow the ginger flavor to be absorbed into the water. Take a glass and strain the ginger water. Now we will add two more things to this. Now we will add the 1 lemon juice in it. Vitamin C found in lemon burn tummy fat. Now we will add 1 tablespoon honey. Mix the honey well. Lemon, ginger and honey are a powerful combination in fighting cough and sore throat. So get it ready. Weight loss, immunity booster, face glowing and full of many nutrients drink. I hope you must have liked this video. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends for watching this video.